Greetings, Unstoppables. It's good to see you here, cause it means that you have already understood the importance of upgrading your skills. Here I will give you what I think are the most crucial skills to upgrade in order to get you closer to the life you deserve. But before we begin, remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This will help this channel to grow and keep leading people towards the best version of themselves. Number 1. Communication mastery. The first thing I tell you to master is literally the cornerstone of human connection: communication. You have to learn at least the basics of public speaking, and then you have to understand the power of body language, the impact of your tone on other people, and the art of persuasion. Communication isn't just about words, it's about human connection. Number 2. Time management techniques. Time is the only resource we can't buy. It's limited and valuable. You have to learn to identify time wasters, set realistic goals, and create a schedule that align with your priorities. Then you have to start developing your own techniques to effectively manage your time. But to do this, you have to start learning popular time management systems like the Pomodoro techniques and the 2-minute rule. Number 3. Emotional intelligence. This will lead you to the art of human connection. Emotional intelligence is more than just recognizing emotions. It's about understanding and managing them inside yourself and inside other people around you. There are 5 main components that construct emotional intelligence, and those are self-awareness, self-regulation, internal or intrinsic motivation, empathy, and social skills. I know that this sounds like a complex thing to master, but don't worry, my brother. I am already making a video to teach you how to master those traits. You just have to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you will be among the first to learn this. Number 4. Financial literacy. Finances are an area that can cause stress or pave the way to freedom. I'm not just talking about budgeting, I'm talking about investing, understanding credit scores, and long-term financial planning. You have to equip yourself with the knowledge to make wise decisions and build a secure financial future. Number 5. Adaptability. In our rapidly evolving world, adaptability is key to survival. I am not just advocating for continuous learning. I'm telling you to continuously look for new innovations and technology, to be one of the first to use it to your advantage. Think about what the AI is changing in everyone's life in a short period of time. The question is, are you capable to use it? Of course, this is just an example, but I want you to understand that changes can be really fast, and no one can afford to ignore progress and innovation. Now, if you found this video helpful, remember to like, share with someone who needs it, and subscribe to this channel. There's a lot more to come soon. Until next time.